how to set up Instagram automatic messages. So I'm going to show you how to create an automatic reply when someone messages your Instagram account. Now, first just go and head over to your Instagram profile and make sure you have a professional account. So on your profile page, you should see this section that says Professional Dashboard. Now, if you don't see this, you'll need to switch to a professional account by clicking the settings bar in the top right hand side. You can then scroll down this page and click on Account Type and Tools. You can then select Switch to Professional Account, and you'll need to go through the steps to set up a professional business account. Now, once you see the professional dashboard on your profile, click on the settings bar once again. Now scroll down and click on Messages and Story Replies. Now select Message Requests and turn on Allow Access to Messages. Now close out of Instagram, go and open up the App Store, and then use the search box to type in Meta Business Suite. You'll then need to download this app here, which is the Meta Business Suite. Now open the app, select Login with a different account type, and select Login with Instagram. Now sign in to your Instagram account. Once you're signed in, click on More in the bottom right hand side, click on Settings, and then scroll down to Instagram Settings and select Automations. Click on Instant Reply, turn on Instagram, and then click on the Edit button. You can then go and customize the message you want to send as your automated reply. Once you're finished, press Save. Now click on Save again, and the next time someone messages your Instagram account, it will send this automatic reply.